Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to talk about how you can charge the iPad without the charger. So the first thing what you can do is that you can use charge with non-Apple cables that someone enrolled here. I never had an issue with the third-party cables. The Anchor ones I have never given me that pop-up, but I do sometimes get with connect my iPhone to my MacBook Pro with the official Apple cable. I use my Samsung charger for iPad occasionally and it's never given a problem. So you can use third-party chargers if you want to, or even you can use a power bank, let's say, that you would like always charge the power bank and then use it for your iPad. So you can use power banks. So maybe you're gonna also locate that. So yeah. That's something you can do, and it's completely fine to charge your iPad without the adapter. So thank you very much for watching, and hope this video helped you at least a little bit. And have a great